In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Shopify Merchant ID. This is a simple process, and it starts with the URL that you can already see in your browser. The goal is to locate the unique shop identity string that Shopify uses for merchant tracking. And once you copy it, you can use it wherever your integration or tool requires it. First, look at the URL bar of your browser while you are logged into your Shopify admin panel. Make sure you are actually inside the admin interface, not just on a public Shopify page. When you are logged in, the address bar will show you the specific location you are visiting, and that location includes the shop identifier we need. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place, because the merchant ID is tied to the authenticated admin session. Next, focus your attention on the part of the address after //shopify.com in the URL. You do not need to change anything on the page. You just need to read what comes right after that segment. In many Shopify admin links, the structure will be consistent, and the shop identifier will appear as a piece of text in the path. This is the section that typically contains either a numeric or an alphanumeric string. Look carefully because it may be adjacent to slashes, dashes, or other characters. Then, find the numeric or alphanumeric string that appears directly following //shopify.com within the address path. This string is the official shop identity value that you can use as your Shopify merchant ID. It might look like a combination of letters and numbers, or it may be only numbers. The important point is that it is unique to your shop. If you see multiple parts in the URL, do not guess. Instead, identify the specific segment that immediately comes after //shopify.com and use that exact piece of text. After you have found that unique string, copy it exactly. When you copy, be sure you include all characters in that segment and nothing else. For example, if the identifier includes a hyphen or a mix of letters and numbers, you should include those characters as they appear. This helps avoid errors in tools that expect the merchant ID in a precise format. Also, be careful not to accidentally copy spaces or extra slashes. The merchant ID works best when it matches the URL segment perfectly. Once you have the merchant ID copied, understand that this acts as your official shop identity and merchant tracking value. Many apps, analytics tools, payment or fulfillment integrations, and partner platforms request this identifier to link your shop with the correct account. Because it comes directly from the Shopify admin URL, it is reliable and reflects your current shop context. So it is a good value to keep on hand for any setup steps that come later. To make this more concrete, based on mine, it appears as JATH1DK-0J. Your own shop identifier will be different, but the method to retrieve it is the same. You simply look at the URL while logged into the Shopify admin panel, locate the portion right after //shopify.com, and copy that exact unique string. Finally, double-check the copied value by pasting it into a Notes app or a temporary field, just to confirm it matches what you saw in the address bar. If it does not match, return to the URL and recopy the segment carefully. When the copied merchant ID matches the URL segment correctly, you are ready to use it anywhere it is required. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.